Gauge fly, and the racing out in front is second by entry number 6. And then Sailor King moving up out of time. Dagaran Kid, good move. Around the outside now is Bagong Barrio. Alongside is Hokey Hoke, then followed by Gifted Champ. Grand Sensation, Sweet Eliza, while Fabiola is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight they travel. Sailor King just in front, followed by Out of Time. Around the outside now, Dagaran Kid, then followed by Good Move. Gifted Champ is next on line, 2 lengths back now. Is Hokey Hoke moving up na the outside is Bagong Barrio. During the last 600 Art of Time takes the lead. Gifted Champ, Dagaran Kid, Good Move. Bagong Barrio na the outside, Hokey Hoke. Sweet Eliza sneaking by the wheel. Inside the last 600 Art of Time, still leading the pack. And towards the last 400 Art of Time, still leads the pack by Sam 2. Gifted Champ in second. Bagong Barrio on the outside as they swing for home. It is still Art of Time leads by Sam 2 lengths, followed by Bagong Barrio and Gifted Champ. Sweet Eliza on the outside moves up now to grab the lead, and finally Sweet Eliza, Bagong Barrio, Out of Time, Grand Sensation, and Gifted Champ.
Yun ang dehado. Sweet Eliza, 49872.